The Top Cool Snowboard Ski Lover Mountain Cat t-shirt is the perfect combination of style and passion for outdoor sports lovers, especially those who enjoy snowboarding and skiing. This unique t-shirt celebrates the thrill of mountain adventures and the joy of hitting the slopes, all while adding a playful twist with its quirky design featuring a mountain cat. This cat is not just a cute character, but an embodiment of the adventurous spirit that every snowboard and ski enthusiast carries with them on their journeys. Made from 100% cotton, this t-shirt offers a soft and breathable feel that makes it ideal for all-day wear. Whether you're chilling at the lodge after a day of skiing or sharing stories about your favorite mountain adventures with friends, the cotton fabric provides excellent comfort, ensuring you feel relaxed and at ease no matter what your day holds. The material's softness makes it perfect for layering under jackets or hoodies, especially during colder mountain days, or simply wearing on its own when the weather is more favorable. What sets this t-shirt apart is not just its quality but its design, which speaks directly to those who have an enduring love for the mountains. The graphic design captures the essence of snowy slopes and high-altitude thrills, making it a great addition to your wardrobe if you're passionate about snowboarding or skiing. Top Cool Snowboard Ski Lover Mountain Cat t-shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Shred the slopes in style. Must-have tee for every snowboard and ski lover. Embrace winter vibes. Stay cozy in our Top Cool Snowboard and Amp Ski Lover sweatshirt. Hit the slopes in style. Perfect tank top for snowboard and ski lovers. Shred the slopes in style. Perfect tee for ski and amp snowboard lovers. Hit the slopes in style. Unleash your inner mountain cat with this cool hoodie. Whether Top Cool Snowboard Ski Lover Mountain Cat t-shirt, an expert on the or a beginner, the Top Cool Snowboard Ski Lover Mountain Cat t-shirt is the perfect way to express your love for these sports and your connection to the mountain lifestyle. Additionally, this t-shirt is proudly made in the United States, which ensures a high level of craftsmanship and quality. The attention to detail and commitment to manufacturing excellence is evident in every stitch, making sure that the shirt not only looks great but also stands the test of time. Whether you're giving it as a gift or keeping it for yourself, the t-shirt is a durable and stylish choice that reflects the ruggedness and excitement of mountain sports. In conclusion, the Top Cool Snowboard Ski Lover Mountain Cat t-shirt is more than just a piece of clothing. It's a statement of adventure, freedom, and fun. Its high-quality 100% cotton fabric provides unmatched comfort, while the unique design connects you to the spirit of snowboarding and skiing. Proudly manufactured in the United States, this t-shirt is a must-have for anyone who loves the mountains and wants to show off their passion in a cool, casual way. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone who enjoys mountain culture. This t-shirt is sure to become a favorite in your collection. Other product